In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve search issues you're having on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot, best match. Come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, select where it says search and indexing, find and fix problems of Windows search, and run the troubleshooter for that. And then just follow through with the on-screen steps to kind of diagnose exactly what your problem is. And you may have to run certain items as an administrator. And then again, you just would select next, and hopefully it would resolve the problems. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.